Yo, what?
Why'd you pull right out in front of me?
You better get your ass to me, boy.
Alright, well, you keep going. You cut me off right in front
I don't
of
give
me.
a yeah. You walk up to my goddamn
Well, I'm gonna walk up to the car. You cut me off. You're gonna kill somebody. Dude.
No, I'm a
And we got the one angry driver. Let's see what's gonna happen. Why is he so angry?
Hey, you got something to say to me?
What?
You got something to say to me?
I can't hear you.
You got something to say to me, punk?
Dude, I didn't even do shit to you, bro. Hey, man.
Hello and welcome to Moto Universe. As you can see, today we will watching road rage on the edge of street fight. Enjoy! The driver of the grey car is very annoyed by the biker's ride and overtakes him on a solid line. Let's look at their conversation.
Y'all blocking the road. I had to go around. How you feeling? Why did you block the road doing the wheelie? I had to go around. Slow down. You three blocked the fucking road. I'm not trying to do 35. Your horn. I'm not gonna blow my horn at you. I literally went around you. How y'all feeling? What's up? It was double yellow. You don't deserve a license. Man, are you the traffic police?
This is the work zone and the speed limit is 25. The biker is annoyed by speeding of this driver.
It's the work zone. It's the work zone. 25 miles an hour. What are you doing? You want to get a double ticket? Wow, one of those days, huh? Tough guy. You want to go on YouTube, huh? You're not worth it, dude. You're just a wannabe. You're an idiot.
This is the moment when the taxi driver got angry.
You moving out?
Well, can't I move out now?
No. You need to look and make sure it's clear.
Really?
Yeah.
Big boy, are we?
Yeah.
Big boy.
Uh,
You're an idiot, mate.
Yeah, alright, that's alright, mate.
Small man, small
Yeah,
man,
alright, okay.
small man, small
This is good video. Thank you. Keep talking.
That's brilliant.
Keep talking, mate.
You talk as much as you like.
Yeah, no, you're the one talking, mate.
Oh, really?
I just shook my head. You got upset about it. You
You're a hero.
You
You're a hero.
You're a
Hello, small man.
It was so close, the driver just kept going.
Everyone's got two eyes. You got to use both of them at the same time. Holy shit! You had the right of way. I thought I had the wrong side. Yeah, you did. I'm here.
These bikers were unlucky today. They ran into Karen's property.
No, we got stuck in that forest from the beginning. We actually were trying to find our way back.
Why? You want me to call the police for you?
Shut up.
Huh? You want me to call the police for you?
Oh no, we'll leave. We're not trying to mean any harm.
Private property. I don't know what kind of roads are over here. I mean, I can call the police if you want.
No, we're
Or
just
you can meet my little friend. I mean,
we're just trying.
what do you mean?
Come near you. We're just we got lost. We'll leave.
Private property. I mean, you want to see how this works?
We're sorry. We're just trying to leave.
5 million. I mean, you want to see how it works?
Hey man.
I see anybody on my private property.
I'm sorry.
There's
We're
enough
sorry.
for you people stealing cars, scratching cars, stealing houses. There's too many thefts
Yeah,
around here.
we'll leave. I'm
You
so
should not be on private property.
we didn't think these woods were your
It doesn't
property.
matter. This is private property. How do I know you're not trying to steal
Yeah,
my car?
we're leaving. We'll leave.
How do I know you're not trying to steal anything from my house?
No, we're just trying to find somewhere to ride. Yeah.
That means this land belongs to people.
Next time I see you guys, I'm gonna find it as a
No.
threat and I'm gonna mace you.
We won't come back. I promise.
This
I'm
is not a
so.
gun. This is
I'm
not
sorry.
a weapon. This is mace.
We're sorry.
I have kids in that house.
We're
How do I
sorry.
know you're not here to rob us? How do I even know you're not here to rob my car?
We're not trying to mean any
How
harm.
do I know that?
I don't know. I'm
said
sorry.
so?
I'm sorry. We'll leave. Yo, Sam.
Let's see explosion after accident.
But
And this is my favorite today. After the cut off, the biker is angry and wants to quarrel with the driver. Let's see.
I'm about to this dude up right now. What are you doing? Yo,
Yo, what?
why'd you pull right out in front of me?
You better get your ass to me, boy.
All right, well, you going, you cut me off right in
I don't
front
give
of me.
a did. You walk up to my goddamn
Well,
car.
I'm gonna walk up to the car. You cut me off, you're gonna kill somebody, dude.
No, I'm gonna kill you.
You're gonna
kill you.
You're gonna kill me?
Go
Okay.
get back on your motorcycle.
That's what you better do.
Not today.
I
This is
wish
the
you would.
holidays. Get on your motorcycle.
All right, hey,
This is the
don't
holidays.
start pushing on me. He
Get
cut
on
me
your
off, all right?
motorcycle. This is
I'll
the
get on it. I'm
holidays.
not gonna touch her. Why would I touch her? You cut me off. You're gonna
Anybody
kill
can cut
somebody,
you off
dude.
anytime. Get in your
You ain't gonna kill me.
Do me a favor.
All right,
Happy holidays.
do it.
Okay?
Have a
Happy
good
holidays.
Christmas. Have a good
And
Christmas,
stop
ma'am.
all this foolishness.
Have a.
Stop it.
I'm not doing nothing. 118X.
It's enough road rage for today. Now it's time to relax a bit with this beautiful story. Thanks for watching and enjoy.
Hello? Hi there. You okay? You don't have time? Can you stop 1 second? Stop 1 second. Chip, let's go a little bit more forward. Let's go a little bit more forward. Ooh, jabone. Hey, you have the same helmet as me.
No,
I have the same helmet. Where are you going?
I'm going to pick up my bike, and I think that
What bike you have?
bigger than yours.
Bigger than mine. That's a good answer. Okay, you want me to give you a lift?
I don't know if it's a good idea.
Yeah, it's a good idea. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Janusz. Anna. Where are you from, Anna? Poland. Oh, I was thinking you're Romanian.
Oh, really?
Oh shit, that's why I was thinking you.
I'm not okay, Romania, come on.
Okay, okay, let me give you a ride. Seriously, I'll go around. I'll drop you wherever you want, and we can exchange numbers if you want after that. Okay? Alright, sweet. Oh, cool. Sweet. Oh shit. You good? Alright. Hold on. Okay, I'll just go around, and after that you tell me where to drop you, yeah? Alright, sweet. Hey Anna. You okay?
Yes.
What happened?
Nothing. I'm waiting for you 15 minutes.
Sorry, traffic. What happened?
I need to close or not?
Yeah, you need to close.
So close it.
What happened? You upset? Oh, come on. This is where you're working? Nice. Okay, go up.